Hi guys, what's up? Are you struggling to make new and new meals every single day, which is cheap, healthy, and fast to make? Then for sure, you're at the right place. Hi everyone, my name is Manit Oberoi and I recently graduated from a university in London and I really know your struggles. You gotta get your assignments done, you have some other schoolwork to do, and you don't have time to cook meals. I know, I was at the same spot. So these meals are quick, easy, budget friendly, and also healthy. So without wasting any time, let's just get on the video.
So first off, we have quesadillas. For that, we need these ingredients. So I'll be cutting my carrots, and then I'm gonna cut my onion, along with that some spinach. And then we take a pan, we add some oil in it. Then we add the onions and saute for a bit, and then we add the carrots. And basically just add salt, curry powder, and oregano or mixed herbs, whatever. You can put whatever you want. And then you just add the spinach and then mix it all. And I added some more oil, and with that I added some paneer. You can use tofu, whatever you want. And I also added some water so that it doesn't burn. Then I added baked beans, which is easily available. Then some Szechuan sauce, because why not? You can add sriracha or any chili sauce that you want. Mixing it up, and then yeah, the mixture is ready. Then you can get your tortillas, and you can, like this, I got chapatis, which I got from Asda itself. You can use whatever. And then you just add the filling in it, then add some sliced cheese, and then cover it. And here you go. Looks so good. Can you just see it? And then after that, you just eat it. You just enjoy. It's so juicy. It's the best thing ever. Literally, I loved it. Make sure to try it out. So next up we have our egg sandwich, which is pretty heavy, so it's good for you to have it for lunch. We take a pan, we add some oil as usual, crack our egg, and then yes, I did kind of mess it up. And then we add salt, curry powder, mixed herbs, and then I'm just trying to flip it here and I'm failing, but it's fine. It tastes amazing. Then we take the bread, we add some cheese slice and some beans to save the day. And then we add our egg, some baby spinach, and salad mayonnaise, which is amazing. And then we just flip it up. It looks super delicious, and it is. And here's the ASMR. Yes, you heard that crack. And it's so good. It tastes literally so amazing. Yeah. It was really nice. Make sure to try it out, and here's me dancing to go eat this thing. And yes, I have to turn off the camera. So I had to get some more groceries, so I came to Asda. And yes, I was just getting tempted to buy new things. But today we are going to cook egg fried rice. These are the ingredients. They just look a lot, but it's actually not. It's just these many. And yes, that's my hot bell pepper. Now we're gonna boil our rice, add some salt to it, and we're gonna chop all our vegetables. So this recipe you can make while you're like calling your friends over or family over, anything, and you want like a good treat for yourself. And yes, that's my little hot bell pepper, which is broken just like my heart. Here's our rice. I don't know why are we romanticizing it so much, but yes, it looks very good. Anyway, now we're gonna take a pan, add our oil, and fry our garlic and onion. Till that time, we're gonna take our rice, and very important step, to add an egg above it. Yes. So this is a traditional way of making it, where each and every piece of rice is coated with egg. You can add just egg yolk, because mainly you do that, but I did egg whites as well. Then we add our chicken. Just let it saute a little bit, and then you have to add all the vegetables like our bell peppers, our carrots, mushrooms, and baby spinach, and just mix it all. Now we add our salt, some curry powder,
our oregano, mixed herbs, and then mix, mix, mix. And we're gonna add our Szechuan sauce, which is the best part. You can add sriracha, anything, or any kind of chili sauce. Then we have to do this. We have to add soy sauce. Enough of it. And then, yeah, we add our rice now. And now we're gonna fry it. So what's gonna happen is each and every piece of rice is gonna get fried separately because it's coated with egg, and you have to do this on high heat and keep mixing and mixing until you get that separated texture, if you know what I mean. Let's see. Wow, it looks amazing, but still we are still left to fry it a little more. I'm just giving it a taste test, and yes, we need more salt so you can just do it according to your taste. And here we go, we are ready finally. Wow, just look at that presentation, just appreciate that. It's so good, it'll just look so good. So let's have a taste test. I love this. I'm a chef. The recipe number 4 is aglio olio spaghetti, which is really easy to make. We take a pan, we add a lot of water, add a lot of salt as well, and then boil our spaghetti. Then we cut garlic and mushrooms. That's it. And then we take a separate pan, add some olive oil, then fry our garlic. It looks so good. Then our mushrooms, and that's it. You just need to season it now. And yes, before that we are going to romanticize the spaghetti again. I don't know why we're doing this, but it just looks so satisfying to look at. Yes, we love that. Then we're gonna add our salt. We're gonna add mixed herbs. That's it. That's about it. And then we're just gonna add our pasta water because to get that proper flavor of the pasta. Then we add our spaghetti and mix it up. You can turn off the heat at this point. And yes, mix everything, and wow, it looks so good. It is so flavorful. Now we present it. I'm just trying my best to present it like you get it presented in the restaurants, but kind of failing. Yes, I did fail it. Then we add our mushrooms on top, garlic, and just look at that. It literally is so good. It's so flavorful. You definitely need to try it out, and I'm in love with it. So next up is a dinner recipe that I made. For that, we marinate the chicken by adding salt, curry powder and ginger garlic paste along with our mixed wrap seasoning. Then we just put it together. Then we make our sauce where I add yogurt, hot sauce, and again the seasoning pack. We mix it up, and then I added some more salt and mixed herbs, a little bit more of the red chili sauce. And here we go, we are ready with our sauce. Then we take a pan, we add oil, and first we're gonna shallow fry our chicken. I just coated it with some plain flour, so you can do that. Then we added our vegetables like carrots, bell peppers, and a lot of chickpeas. These chickpeas I got for a really cheap price, so I was like a steal. So then we add our seasoning again and mix it up. Then some salt and mixed herbs again, and wow, it looks amazing. It's perfect for a wrap. Then I added my tortillas, which is chapatis, anything is fine. And I heat it up, and then after that, yes, we are ready to serve it. So first I'm gonna put a generous amount of our sauce. We add the mixture. It just looks amazing from now, and it smells so good. Then we add some more of the sauce, and yes, I'm gonna wrap it now in this technique, which you can see. We fold it from the sides and then get it from the back, and then yes, we are ready, and this goes perfect. I basically used to work at this salad place where I used to sell wraps as well, and that's where I learned this technique from, and it's amazing.
yeah, here we go. We are ready with it. And here's my review.
So I almost finished this, but I'm just gonna show you how it looks. So that's how it looks. It may not look that appetizing, but actually does. But it is amazing. It is healthy. It is like yummy. Like this is a different taste, you know. And because of the yogurt, there's like a hint of sweet. It is tangy and it is spicy as well. Everything at once. This is one of the best ones that I cooked the whole time. Try it out. Yeah, I know I look like a mess. That's because I just woke up. But I just wanted to end this video here, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. These recipes are so good. They're so nice. You can make new and new recipes every single day. If you guys have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. Or if you want more videos like these, then you can comment that below as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.